Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating directly to Keyboard or Language and Input. This puts you where Autocorrect stores suggestions. Once there, choose the active keyboard, Gboard, iOS, or your phone maker's keyboard, because each stores words differently. Make sure to tap Text Correction, Personal Dictionary, or Dictionary so you can see the entries. You're starting the deletion now. Locate the list and prepare to remove the unwanted word. This avoids accidental changes to global settings and focuses on the specific predictions you want gone. Now remove or edit the entry itself. You'll search or scroll to find the exact unwanted word in Personal Dictionary or Recent Typing. Accuracy matters because similar words won't be affected. Tap the word to reveal options like Delete or Edit and confirm removal. On iOS, you can swipe left to delete, on Gboard long press, and tap the trash icon. Once deleted, clear typed suggestion caches if available so the word doesn't reappear from learned data, and then test by typing the word. To finish, restart the keyboard or the device so changes take effect. This ensures autocorrect no longer suggests the removed word. If suggestions persist, clear the keyboard app cache or use the Reset Learned Words option. This wipes learned predictions without changing dictionaries. Make sure the word isn't stored in Cloud Sync or another keyboard. If problems continue, update or reinstall the keyboard app and recheck dictionaries. Doing so resolves corrupt suggestion data and prevents the word from returning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.